So hello Shally Nations, welcome back to my YouTube video and welcome back to another interesting AI video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top AI tools that I use that have helped improve and increase my productivity, helping me earn more than I used to earn. Now, according to all these research reports, if you master AI skills, it can definitely absolutely increase your productivity from 14% to 60%. So now imagine me that used to make a YouTube video of 15 minutes for like the 24 hours, the whole day. Now I make several 6 to 10 videos within just couple of hours because AI skills are involved. AI skills and tools will increase your quality of life and even make you happier because you can focus on the things that you like doing the most. This is wonderful news, but what AI tools and skills should we be learning in order to achieve these results? And that is what I'm going to let you know and show you in today's video. With these AI skills and tools, you can optimize your productivity to a greater level, earn more money, more than $5,000 and above. And these reports usually don't get into that part, but it's a legitimate question to ask the bot because you can't possibly learn everything. I'm going to show you the specific tools that you can use and the major ones that have helped me so far. Now, you may be asking, which AI skill and which AI tool should I learn? Which one in particular? Because it looks like every day new AI products are being produced and it's like every week, every single day. In this video, we are going to see past all the hype and focus on the core fundamental AI skills and tools, the skills that will bring you the highest return on investment, the skills that are worth learning. The best way to determine what skill you can actually learn and what skills that are most important is by looking at the growing industry trends, because in-demand skills follow the trends. So you have to look at how the industry trend is going so that you can know which AI to optimize to learn so that you don't end up wasting your time. And in today's video, I'm going to show you those AI skills and tools you got to learn so that you can be up to date. So the faster growing the trend, the more in demand and relevant the skill is. I've spent hundreds of hours reading AI reports and statistics, doing my research. I've even experimented on these AI tools and I've seen my results so far. It has been like so massive and I can't wait to share it with you. Now, before we dive a little bit deeper into exactly the parts I'm going to show you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube algorithm can take this video to a vast audience and helping them know the specific AI tools to use and help them increase their productivity from 0% to 190%. Now the first one is productivity. There are so many AI productivity tools that are coming out here and there every day. Now, according to Forbes report, 50% of people are saying that their productivity have been increased because of this AI tools that they have used. And then before we go over to these tools, I want you to be aware. I want you to know that if you don't know how to use this AI properly, you may get a lot of frustrations. And that's why one of the most important foundational skills you also need to learn is prompt engineering, which is the process in which you are guiding the AI to generate your desired output. For example, if you tell your AI to directly write the history of American space program, it will write something up for you, but there's going to be hallucinations and errors, little mistakes here and there. AI is just going to make something up and it's kind of weird, right? But if you prompt it correctly, you can get amazing results. So the number one AI skill you should learn is knowing how to tell AI to be detailed as much as you can, knowing how to tell AI what you want. So in using those productivity AI tools, you should first know how to prompt the AI. So the first stage in knowing how to prompt AI is, first of all, brainstorm asking questions about what you want it to do for you. So generally, you have to have a better idea of what it is you are going to write. Then you can now use this information and ask it to create an outline of what it is you wanted to write, or the question you wanted. For example, you can specify that you want it to be 3,000 words, and this is something that is used for your essay for class, and you can even ask it to cite resources so that you can actually double check the things that it's talking about. Now the next step is to work with the AI to tweak the outline. You can ask it to change the structure of how the paragraphs are formed. You can even clone it to answer like you, or to give it a different persona. You can give it a persona of Oprah Winfrey or Adolf Hitler. You can give it a persona of Abraham Lincoln, whatever persona you want. I've explained this and how to do this using ChatGPT in my previous videos, so you can check them out. And then you can also ask it to change from paragraphs to bullet points in order to better fit what you are writing or what you want. So these are the very precise skills you need to learn. Learn how to brainstorm AI and learn how to be detailed so that you can get the best results from AI. And the most popular AI tool that I've used that have helped increase my productivity is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the AI tools that revolutionized the AI industry. Now, like I said earlier, there are a lot of other hype tools that claim to make you so much more productive, and it does to some extent, but it's not worth the return on investment. Now, this AI tools I'm going to list are the ones that have helped me make extra money and help me become more productive and achieve more in less time. And this first one is called Harper.ai. This is a wonderful AI for summarizing different articles, most especially from video content on YouTube, and summarizing and making long form content. I mean, this AI is the most detailed. You have to use it on your laptop, get an extension of it, and ask it several questions you want to ask it, and it's going to give you detailed answers. And it can also help you put that information and put it into content. All you have to do is check out the video tutorial on how to use it, and boom, you are good to go. HiGen is another interesting one, and it's used for cloning voices, including your voices. I like to use this one to pretend to be myself in certain circumstances, like I am now, because I'm speaking like Shallybuilds. All right. Now, another AI tool that has helped increase my productivity is Speechify. Speechify is wonderful. It's able to take any text information and change that into audio format, so you can choose any voiceover of your choice. If you learn very well through audio format, this one will be really helpful for you. Now, for those of you who code, I'm sure that you've heard about GitHub Copilot, and there's a lot of plugins now, and there are also very good AI tools as well. And I'm not going to leave behind Microsoft Copilot. Now, learning these two AI tools will make you much more productive, and this is a skill that is going to be in higher and higher demand, especially since other people are going to be trying to be more productive. As well as to stay ahead of that curve, you need to be learning these skills as well. Yeah, so that is all I have to say for you guys today. I hope this is helpful in terms of what skill and what tool you should be learning in order to achieve more of your results in less time. So let me know in the comment section below if there are other tools or other skills that you also think is useful that I did not mention. Besides, these tools I mentioned are the ones I use that have helped me achieve greater productivity in lesser time. I would love to check out the ones you mentioned as well. So as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So see you in my next video. Bye.